Welcome back to my podcast, Just One Question. This is Nilakshi Sengupta, and I have with me once again Lilette Dubey. Hi Lilette, today we are going to chat about art in general, mainly performing arts and theatre in particular. Keen to understand your perspective.
Theatre is the most intangible of all the arts. I mean, all performing arts are. And I have chosen the performing arts as my career. So nothing is documented, nothing, it just stays in public memory, that's all. You know, it's so ephemeral. You may remember so-and-so actor, on stage in Bengal who was brilliant. In a few years, he will remain only in the memory of those who saw him on stage. Now, of course, with Google and with the internet and all that, we are exposed to the work of so many people. I have chosen the last couple of plays that I've done, Gohar, which is on Gohar Jaan, and there was some material, maybe 40 years or 50 years ago, there would have been hardly any material. It helped to construct the play and all that. But, and in the last 100 odd years, of course, there's been much more documentation.
True that, Lilette, and that is exactly my intent here, in talking to as many performing artists that I can, across the country, and documenting their thoughts and knowledge.
But I'm saying, say people who started, who were the pioneers of theatre, how do we know how they were on stage? Nothing was recorded, nothing was... So it's a peculiarly poignant and heartbreaking kind of thing, that you don't... theatre just lives in the public mind. It doesn't really... now, of course, people are recording, and as I was discussing with you, many channels have taken theatrical productions, but it's not like seeing a live performance. I would still not say it's like seeing a live performance. I mean, the adrenal rush, that excitement, that smell of a stage. To me, it's the most exciting smell in the world, and that can't be duplicated by seeing a nice anesthetized version of it on a screen, the audience reaction. Because you see, to me, theatre, what is one of the most unique and special things about theatre is that it's a shared experience in a way that no other form is. I mean, all the performing arts are music, dance, live, theatre, neither literature, none of the other arts, painting. You respond to them in isolation. I see a painting, and whatever I feel, it's my individual reaction. I don't color you as an artist. You will not paint different. You will not tweak your work or anything because of my reaction to it. But here, I can be changing the sur, the rhythm of my performance, depending on what's happening. It's a live animal that's there, how you're reacting to me. If you're coughing incessantly, I have to do something to make you stop coughing.
And that is when you must have realized how much value you're adding to people's lives with your work, isn't it?
And I said, why have I felt that I have dabbled in something and that I really don't contribute? I mean, when I meet people who've seen my one film 7 times, 8 times, and they come and say, it gave us such joy. It was so satisfying to see some of my films, not all. I feel okay. I mean, these people got something from this piece of art of a high quality, lowbrow, highbrow, whatever the hell it was, but they got something. It contributed to their life. It's an intangible thing.
Of course, you do contribute so much. And in fact, every artist does with their art form, and in such a big way.
And I made peace with something quite early in my life, that if I was going to choose theatre, I was never going to be rich. And that was fine with me, because my philosophy is very simple, that to me, I think when I'm dead and gone, I don't think anyone knows, cares, or would be interested in what I was worth. Only thing they're ever going to remember about anybody, of course, Maya Angelou puts it nicely also, is, which I believe more and more as I get older, is really how you make people feel. It's nothing else. And that's on a personal level, but on a professional level is really what is the work you did. That's all that really matters.
So true, Lilette. all that remains is the work that you have done and how you have impacted lives, how you have made others feel. Humanity is the biggest art form on one hand, and artists on the other contribute to humanity with the work that they do throughout their life. And of course with what they leave behind. Thank you, Lilette, for these thoughts. Hearing you, our audience will get to know you a little more than before. And somewhere, it will also strike a chord in their hearts. It did for me. And I want to chat with you for longer, very soon. Time for me to take your leave, guys. We'll be back with many more gems of knowledge and craft shared by my dearest friends on Just One Question. This is your host, Nilakshi Sengupta.